Good morning. I am Dr. Narayan Raju, MD, DNB Cardiology, working at KIMS Icon Hospital, Vizag. In today's session, we will be discussing about the heart attack, its causes, and preventive measures needed to avoid a heart attack. In today's days, we normally hear about a person dying at an early age of 30 to 40 years because of heart attack. Incidence of heart attack have been increasing in India, and many people have been suffering because of that. The main cause of heart attack is decreased supply of oxygen to the heart. Heart is supplied by an extensive network of blood vessels which provide nutrition and oxygen supply to the heart, and heart itself supplies oxygen and nutrition to the other organs of the body. For the heart to develop such an play an important role, it needs extensive supply of blood vessels which are surrounding the heart. The heart pump contracts and relaxes continuously. It contracts and relaxes for 72 times per minute, which we call it as heartbeat. Non-stop functioning of a heart is essential for our survival. Any interruption of the oxygen supply and nutrition supply to the heart can result in heart blockages and lead to heart attack. The main reasons for heart blockages are increase in blood pressure, diabetes, and cholesterol deposition. Now let us evaluate each cause. Blood pressure. The main cause for increase in blood pressure are alcohol consumption, smoking, and excessive salt in diet. By avoiding alcohol consumption, smoking, and decreasing the salt intake, we can decrease the chance of heart attack. And the second cause is cholesterol deposition. What are the foods that can cause increase in cholesterol? The main foods are like saturated fats. Saturated fats are found in the food which we take, like cheesy foods, animal products like cheesy foods, animal cheese, dairy desserts, and oils which are vegetable oil and rich in animal fat oils. And instead of these, we can take foods like fruits, nuts, vegetables, vegetable oil, and sunflower oil, which are less in saturated fats, and they contain more of unsaturated fats. And how to avoid getting a heart attack because of diabetes. Diabetes, what it leads to is it increases the amount of very low density lipoproteins which deposit in the blood vessels, and then they can lead to heart blockages. So, a proper treatment of diabetes, like sugar should always be under control. Maintaining fasting blood sugar less than 110 milligrams per deciliter and postprandial sugar less than 140 will help us prevent a heart attack. And how do patients with heart attack present? Most of them present with chest pain, nearly 80%. How do the chest pain is now maybe felt like chest pressure, squeezing sensation, chest fullness, or tightness, and most of the times patients present with chest pain, but this is not the only symptom which the patients present with. They can have like shortness of breath or giddiness or vomiting sensation. So once you have a doubt the patient may be having a heart attack, you have to consulting the doctor is the first step. Once we come to the hospital, we take an ECG. In the ECG, we can see whether the patient had a heart attack or not, and we can proceed further. And the second test is echocardiography. Echocardiography is an ultrasound test which detects whether there is any movement disorder in the heart to localize the heart attack. And then if it is confirmed in echocardiography, and blood test called troponin I can be done, and once it is proved, we go ahead with coronary angiography. Coronary angiography is an X-ray based test where we detect blockages in the heart and then treat the blood vessels and treat the blockages by putting a stent. And we give medicines after heart attack, like antiplatelet medicines will be given, beta blockers, ACE inhibitors, and nitrates to decrease the chest pain, and anticoagulants to decrease the clot load in the heart. Mainly the prevention can be done by an annual checkup, which is recommended for all the people who are above the age of 45 years. They can undergo routine tests like ECG, echo, TMT yearly, and cholesterol tests and the sugar levels. They can check the sugar levels and kidney function tests. These help us track our record of our health and prevent further incidence of heart attack. Thank you.